General labor jobs in Australia. Are you a foreign worker looking for job opportunities in Australia? If so, you may be interested in general labor positions. These jobs involve performing manual tasks in various industries like construction, manufacturing, agriculture, and mining. The good news is that there are general labor jobs in Australia that offer visa sponsorship for foreign workers, and may also provide support with accommodation and other logistics. With this job, you will have job security, excellent wage, flexible work-life arrangement, opportunities for career progression. Moreover, you'll have access to a variety of roles including construction, manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics, as well as many other areas. This means that there is plenty of opportunities to find a role that suits your skills and interests. In this video, we'll explore the different types of general labor jobs available in Australia, the requirements and regulations needed to be taken into consideration. We'll also look at the benefits of this job and the support available to foreign workers. Now, let's talk about the roles available in this career path. 1. Farm or agricultural laborer. 2. Construction laborer. Next, manufacturing laborer. Logistics laborer follow. 5. Mining laborer. And hospitality laborer. All of these jobs combined have practically the same job requirements. These jobs typically do not require formal qualifications or education, but employers often look for candidates who are physically fit, reliable, and able to work well in a team environment. In order to work as a general laborer in Australia, foreign workers must meet several requirements and eligibility criteria, including having a valid visa to work in Australia. There are different types of visas available for work, depending on your situation. The most common work visas for temporary foreign workers are the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, and the Working Holiday Visa, Subclass 417 or 462. Be proficient in the English language. Relevant work experience may be beneficial and preferred by employers. However, this is not always required, as employers may be willing to train the right candidate. Lastly, employers may require workers to complete work health and safety training before starting the job. It is also worth noting that the pay rate for general labor jobs in Australia varies depending on the industry and location. But the minimum wage in Australia is currently about $25 per hour, but some industries pay higher rates. Lastly, the application process. These processes may vary depending on the employer and the industry. However, there are some general steps that you can follow to increase their chances of securing a job and obtaining the necessary visa sponsorship. The first step is to research the job market in Australia and identify companies or industries that are likely to offer general labor jobs with visa sponsorship. This can be done through online job boards, industry associations, or by contacting recruitment agencies. 2. Create a strong resume. A well-written resume that highlights relevant work experience and skills is essential for securing this job. It's important to tailor the resume to the specific job and industry, and to ensure that it is free of errors and clearly communicates your qualifications. Next, apply for jobs through the company's website, online job boards, or recruitment agencies. To apply for these jobs, visit any of these websites: au.indeed.com, glassdoor.com, and workforceaustralia.gov.au. Then, attend interviews. This could be conducted in person or online, depending on the employer's preference. It's important to prepare for the interview by researching the company and the industry, and by practicing answers to common interview questions. Once a job offer has been made, the employer will need to apply for visa sponsorship on your behalf. This process will vary depending on the type of visa being applied for, but generally involves providing evidence of the job offer, the worker's qualifications and experience, and proof of financial support. Finally, After the visa sponsorship has been approved, the foreign worker can apply for a visa. This process may involve providing biometric information, completing health checks, and providing proof of financial support. If you meet all the requirements, and you follow the application steps listed in this video, you will soon be on your way to Australia. Other jobs in Australia and countries overseas are available on this channel. Meanwhile, stay tuned to this channel to watch the detailed video of how to apply for jobs in Australia to meet employer standard. With that, do not forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with your friends. It is also important to hit the notification bell, so as to be one of the first to know of our videos tailored to hasten your footpath abroad. See you in there.